Hello everyone, this is a new day. Today is day 7. Well, guess what? I got great news and my first mail I ever gotten from Stephen McCall. Thank you very much. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. But first, I want to say thank you to the some people that like and subscribe. And I recently got back from Vapor Tech, and this lady is very nice. She's very sweet. It's a must to meet her. You know, she's very nice. I got several things, and you know, I got a great deal. You know, but I got a new bottle, and I'm excited, very excited. So, because I knew I was about to be out soon with my old one, and now I am. I got a new one. Okay, I'm excited. Anyway, I want to say thank you to, her name is Lisa. I'm guessing that's what you said. I'm sorry if I say it wrong. But anyway, today's a new day. I'm so excited today. Finally got the mail. So excited. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and I want to say thank you for the fire back to everyone from Steven and one more person. Come on, what is his name? You will remind me on Facebook. I'm sorry. I had a lot of people that fire back to me, and I'm trying to remember. But I want to say thank you to everyone. I love you, and I'm going to go ahead and open this from Steven to Mason Flowers. Oh, this looks very nice. This is what I got. Very nice. Tesla 27 mod. I'll go ahead and open it. Well, actually, I'm not going to open it yet. I want to use it for review first. This is just day 7, and I just want to show you. And he just messaged me and said, "I hope you like it, but you said you didn't have a box." And no, I don't have a box. But holy cow, it is a box. Holy cow. Yes. Yes. I'm so excited now. I thought it was a mod. Like I'm at RDA. Holy cow. Thank you, Steven. I'm so excited, man. I love you, bud. I'm going to go ahead and do a review. And I just want to say, if there's any news you want to share with me, I have some news I'm going to share. I'm going to put 2 videos today. I'm going to do a review and one for advertising for a bunch of news. Because I have not been writing it down, and I pass out at like 5 or 6 in the morning because I was starving. So, my sister took my corn dog. I thought that. I want the corn dog, but now I made a hash brown last night, and finally I ate and I passed out. But anyway, I just want to say thank you very much for liking and subscribing and enjoying my video. I am going to post advertisement, and I will do fire back to everyone. I'm sorry I have not been going through it and everything. Last night's been a rough day. I've been helping my dad, you know, and my mom recently got back home, and I've been taking care of mom, helping her. I hope you'll forgive me for that. But I just want to say thank you for everyone, and I will do a video soon. So just let you know, I will post on Facebook today. But I'm gonna go ahead and post this one, which is day 7, and now you're looking at it. And I just want to say thank you very much, and I love you all. Bye.